Okay, sorry about that. I don't know how far we got, but what I did was put a little line across down the middle there, and then with my little wheelie thing, I've just put some, this is purely for decoration. You know, I went down there like that. You can do that with a needle, or you don't have to do that. Then you put it all together, you put that in there. And then you just glue it on. Bob's your uncle. And like I said, the collar will stick out. There you go. And that's that. There you go. Whoops, where am I? There. Does that make any sense whatsoever? I don't know. And the other thing is, this one is obviously totally different size to that one. Okay, so what I did was got an A4 sheet of paper, put it on here, and what I did was I thought, well, this is, well, it's nearly 1/2 inch, so let's say 1/2 inch. So I pressed 1/2 inch, okay, which is the depth. Then I thought, okay, that will fit in there. Put another one there. Then I wanted another 1/2 inch for the other depth. Pushed it over, okay, and just that measurement there you want. You want that measurement there between them, so that it's equal on both sides, which in this case is 3 1/4. So what I did, I just folded this one in and made a little mark where there's 3 1/4. Okay, folded that back. I thought, does that fit? Should fit. And then you do exactly the same. That's how I measured it. Whether that makes any sense to you, I don't know. Cut one of the corners out. We'll find out in a minute whether that works or not. Then you just do the flaps again. And this is how I measure sort of any other piece of bar of chocolate. Let me get my ATC. Am I recording? Yeah, just checking. I just recorded a minute ago and it wasn't even recording. I think this must be my 5th attempt for this. And if this one doesn't work, hang on, I've folded this one. Okay. So what you then want to do is fold that together. Okay. Like that. And it should be a box again. Flat box like that. See what I mean? Your flaps in. That one over. Put your glue on this one. And close it up. If that doesn't fit in there now, I'm going to throw this. Okay, and then you put your bar of chocolate in there and Bob's your uncle. And it's a little bit of room in there, isn't there, as you can see. But that's how I measured it. You can do it a lot better. But I think it's because, can you see the chocolate bar? It goes at an angle, doesn't it? You know, it goes up. So if it was straight, it'd fit a lot better. How you do that, I don't know. Or you can just use your paper like this if you want to make a box. Right, leave enough room at the bottom so you can do inches, and you just go like that and you wrap it round. If you don't want to do all this measuring, see, you wrap that round like that, leave a little strip like that. There you go. Now if I cut this out now, let's say there for instance, okay, so I left a little bit of a gap. No, it won't go. I should have left a gap there as well. No, it doesn't work. Anyway, but if you can, you find a little. I messed that up, didn't I? Let me find this. Look, obviously you want it longer. But if you go like that, and then wrap it round like that, all the way. This is stupid, I've got to find a proper piece of paper, excuse me. There. You find the length of your paper, okay, and then you want a little bit extra so it folds over here. And just wrap it round. Just wrap it round. If you can't, you know, use that to the back side. Wrap that round. Wrap it round. If you can't be bothered with all the measuring, and this is just as good. Okay. Lift that up so you know that you need that extra bit. I'm really rushing now, so you just have to believe me when I say it. There you go. Do that. Okay, so that's not very straight, but it doesn't matter. There you go. Pull that in. Pull that over, and you got your, obviously you got to do it straight. And you got your wrap. Just wrap it round and crease these. So then you just make sure you got an extra flap to hold it together at the end. The end of the day. Make sure you got an extra flap. This is not straight by any means. But you can see where the lines are if you do it like that. And you know what, at the end of the day, it's going to go in the bin, isn't it, really? Or you use it one more time, then you go. Wrapped it all round. Make sure you got an extra flap here. Glue it on, and then make sure you got an extra flap for your little bottom bit. And Bob's your uncle. And that's all you're getting off me. I hope this helped. Bye.